How to fix purchase was not complete in Roblox. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if you're facing the issue where it says purchase was not complete on your Roblox account. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your Roblox app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you just want to head over to the Me section to find your profile. Now just tap on the profile icon right here. So what you want to do is on your account section, you just want to make sure that you have your email or phone number verified. For that, tap on the settings icon right here to open up your settings menu and then tap on account info. Here you'll be able to see all of your account information, including your email address and your phone number. As you can see, I have already verified my email. You just have to make sure you either verify your phone number or email. You just have to verify one of those, or you could do both. And once you have done that, you are going to head over to your Play Store. And once you open up your Play Store, you are going to go ahead and connect your payment method to your Play Store. So just tap on the profile icon and tap on payment and subscription, and on your payment method make sure that you add your debit or credit card, or if you want to add PayPal or something else, you can do that as well. And once that is connected, then you should be able to successfully purchase your items on Roblox. So go ahead and open up your Roblox again and tap on this Robux option, and if you want you can purchase it from here. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.